महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
Hello students, last class we had discussed about symbol and valency. Today we are going to discuss the concepts of radicals. Radicals or ions. Species means atom or molecule. It may be an atom or it may be a molecule. Species having some charge on them are called radicals. Species, atom or molecule having some charge on them are called radicals. Okay, example Al3 plus, SO4 2 minus, etc. Notebook. Be careful. Al3 plus is a radical. Remember, this plus 3 is not the valency. It is the oxidation number. Oxidation number is derived from the losing tendency or the gaining tendency of the electron. Plus 3 indicates that aluminum donates 3 electrons. Okay, oxidation number is equal to plus 3. Valency is equal to 3. Remember, no positive sign or negative sign is advised for the valency, because valency is defined as the number of electrons donated or accepted or shared. It is a number. It may be 1 or 2 or 3, etc. Okay, valency. Then charge. Remember, charge not equal to oxidation number. Charge means 3 protonic charge. Plus 3 indicates positive charge indicate proton, hence it has 3 protonic charge, and it is plus 3 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 3 protonic charge. How is it possible? Aluminum has 13 proton and 13 electron. When it donates 3 electrons, it has 13 proton and 10 electron. 10 electron, 10 proton are cancelled out. Rest is equal to 3 protons. Rest species is equal to 3 protons. Hence the charge is 3 protonic charge plus 3 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Remember, the sign which is given is called the oxidation number. Oxidation number indicates the oxidation reaction or reduction reaction. Oxidation reaction means electron is donated. Reduction reaction means electron is accepted. When electron is donated, positive charge arises. When electron is accepted, negative charge arises, which is symbolized by oxidation number. Valency is equal to 3, charge is equal to 3 protonic charge. Another example, O2 minus, oxidation number is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 indicates that 2 electrons are accepted by oxygen atom. Okay, valency is equal to 2, charge is equal to 2 electronic charge. 2 electronic charge, negative charge for electron, 2 electronic charge, minus 2 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. How is it explained? Oxygen atom has 8 proton and 8 electron. When 2 electrons are accepted, then it becomes oxide ion. Oxide ion has 8 proton and 10 electron. 8 proton, 8 electron are cancelled out. Rest is equal to 2 electron, which indicates the charge. Hence the charge is 2 electronic charge. Okay. Radicals may be classified into A. Positive radical, positive charge, or basic radicals, basic radicals. Actually, basic word is derived from base. Okay. And cations or positive charge is generally formed by metal atom, and metal generally results basic compound, generally results basic hydroxide, basic oxide, etc. Okay. Positive radical or basic radicals or cations. Cation, because positive charge is attracted towards cathode, which has negative charge. Negative charged electrode is called cathode, as positive charge radical is attracted towards cathode. They are called cations. Okay. B. Negative radical or acidic radicals or anions. Negative charge, that is species as negative charge. Acidic radicals, word is derived from acid. Generally, negative charge is formed by non-metallic species, and oxides of non-metals are generally acidic. Okay. Negative radicals are attracted towards positive electrode called anode, hence they are called anions. Okay. important positive radicals. Important positive radicals. A. Monovalent. Monovalent means oxidation number is +1 but the valency is 1. Valency is 1. Okay. NH4 plus ammonium, Li plus Na plus K plus Ag plus Hg plus or Hg2 2 plus copper plus etc. Monovalent. Okay. B. Bivalent. Bivalent basic radicals. +2 oxidation number, valency is equal to 2. Ca2 plus beryllium 2 plus barium 2 plus Mg2 plus Hg2 plus, okay, copper 2 plus etc. etc. Similarly, trivalent Al3 plus, tetravalent 4 plus, silicon 4 plus, etc. etc. Okay. Important acidic radicals or negative radicals. Negative radicals. A. Monovalent. -1 is the oxidation number, 1 is the valency. Chloride, fluoride, bromide, iodide, acetate ion, etc. B. Bivalent. -2 is the oxidation number, valency is equal to 2. Oxide ion, peroxide ion, superoxide ion, etc. Oxide ion, peroxide ion, carbonate ion, sulfate ion, etc. Okay. Similarly, trivalent, similarly tetravalent, etc. Okay. Important radicals. They are interesting and confusing also. Be careful and keep enjoying. Okay. First, for nitrogen, nitride N3 minus, nitrite NO2 minus, nitrate NO3 minus, azide N3 minus. It is N3 minus, it is N3 minus 1. Okay. Second, for carbon, carbide C4 minus, It is common type carbide. Common type carbide. Okay. Then carbonate. Carbonate. CO3 2 minus. Bicarbonate. Bicarbonate means HCO3 minus. Actually, this bi prefix means not 2. Actually, this bi prefix indicates addition of H plus. Addition of H plus or proton. When H plus is added, minus 2 becomes minus 1 and CO3 2 minus becomes HCO3 minus. Okay. Then cyanide, Cn minus, ferrocyanide means FeCN whole 6 4 minus, another one ferri 3 minus. Okay, ferrocyanide, ferricyanide. We also can derive this. Okay, ferro means ferric. Ferric means Fe2 plus. Fe2 plus. Cyanide means minus 1. 6 cyanide means minus 6. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to minus 4. Okay. Ferricyanide derived from ferric. Ferric means Fe3 plus. Okay. 6 Cn means minus 6 because 1 Cn has minus 1 oxidation number. For 6 it is minus 6 plus 3 is equal to minus 3. Okay. Third, for oxygen. Okay. Oxide O2 minus, peroxide O2 2 minus, superoxide O2 minus, hydroxide OH minus, etc. Okay, for oxygen. Number 4, for halogens. It is interesting. Halide X minus, hypohalite XO minus. For example, hypochlorous acid. Okay, ClO minus, H plus is added. It is HOCl. That is HOCl, hypochlorous acid, because acids are those substances which are capable of donating H plus. Okay, hypohalite. Then halite XO2 minus, halite XO2 minus. For example, bromide BrO2 minus. Okay. Example halite XO3 minus. For example, chlorate chlorate ClO3 minus. Okay, for halate XO4 minus. Example, for chlorate ClO4 minus. Okay, halide, hypohalite, halite, halate and perhalate. Perhalate. Five. For phosphorus. Okay. Phosphide ion P3 minus. Phosphite ion PO3 3 minus. Phosphate ion PO4 3 minus. Pyro phosphate ion P2O7 4 minus. Okay, notebook. Suppose we have to write the formula of pyro phosphoric acid. Okay, P2O7 4 minus is the pyrophosphate ion. Acids are those substances which are capable of donating H plus. For -4 cancellation we need +4. For +4 we need 4H plus. 4H plus, that is H4P2O7. H4P2O7. For example, from phosphate, phosphoric acid PO4 3 minus, 3H plus for the cancellation of 3 minus, that is H3PO4. Okay. Number 6, for sulfur. Okay, sulfide S2 minus, bisulfide HS minus. Bi means not two, bi means addition of proton. When proton is added, H plus is added, -2 becomes -1 and it is HS minus. Sulfite SO3 2 minus, bisulfite HSO3 minus, thiosulfate H2O3 2 minus. Remember, thio is used for sulfur, hence thiosulfate is a sulfurous compound. Similarly, azo word is valid for nitrogen, azide ion N3 minus. Okay, tetrathionate S4O6 2 minus. Okay, seven, for manganese, manganate ion MnO4 2 minus. Permanganate ion MnO4 minus. Identical molecular formula but different charge. For chromium, dichromate Cr2O7 2 minus, chromate CrO4 2 minus, chromic acid from chromate ion CrO4 2 minus, we have to cancel -2 by adding proton, so that we can get an acid. For the cancellation of -2 we need +2, for +2 we need 2H plus, hence the chromic acid is H2CrO4. Notebook. Variable valencies. Some atoms explain variable valency to result more than one kind of compounds. Some important examples are copper +1 +2, cuprous cupric, less valency os valency, greater valency equivalency. Tin +2 +4, stannous stannic, mercury mercurous mercury, iron ferrous ferric, +2 and +3. Students, hope you are enjoying. Be safe. Thank you.